I remember very distinctly the first time I bought a package of cigarettes. I remember thinking that this is probably not a good choice. But that didn't stop me from smoking. I continued smoking for years and years and years, and I woke up every morning with a raspy voice and a sore throat. By the time lunchtime had rolled around, I can almost guarantee you I had smoked a half a package of cigarettes. I was sick and tired of feeling sick and tired. I quit buying cigarettes. I hid my cigarettes. Those tricks didn't work. I watched my father die of lung cancer. It's not fair to make people watch their family members die like that. Mm-hmm. One of the last coherent conversations I had with my dad was him asking me to please quit smoking. It took me a few years after that, but I did it, and I hope he's proud. So I'd seen other people stop smoking, and I saw the transition that they did, and it was not pleasant for a few days, but man, were they ever happy. I wanted that. The day that I made a plan, that I really truly made a plan that I am going to quit, and I spoke to my doctor and I went on a medication to help me, and I chose my quit date, and I told everybody I knew, this is my day, I'm quitting. All of those steps, it was one step at a time, and it worked. With the varenicline, it just helps to take the craving away. I just needed something to help me to just make different choices and for those choices to become natural. It was freeing. I was no longer chained to anything but the limits I put on myself. I trained like a mad woman to do a half marathon, and I did it. I want my kids to remember me walking a half marathon. And I want them to remember me having fun with my grandchildren and teaching them how to sew and loving my life. It doesn't really matter how many times I tried before. It was the last time that worked.